Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change name on Tubi. So guys, if you're trying to change the name that you originally signed up with or signed in with, then this video is for you. So the first step is to just be in this website. And once you're in this website, you just need to look at the top right corner where it has your name. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can see options like account settings, help center, activate your device, and finally sign out. You just need to tap on account settings, and now you would be in this page. You can also see options over here like profile, parental controls. Since we're trying to change the name, we just need to be in profile, and now just type in the name that you would prefer. And once you do so, just tap on save, and it's been saved. So guys, there you go. That's how you change name on Tubi. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.